Axie Infinity value equivalent to $5.7748 a coin. The present exchanged cost range 5.74676.023. The earlier day close 5.9730. The change was 0.1982, 3.32%. Converse rate ICE to AX. Axie Infinity gauge for October 2024. In the first place, cost at $3.5057. Exorbitant cost 3.8965, while low cost 3.3867. They found the middle value of cost 3.6076. Axie Infinity cost gauge toward the month's end 3.6416, change for October 3rd, 9%. Axie Infinity cost expectation for November 2024. In the first place, cost at $3.6416. Exorbitant cost 3.6416, while low cost 2.8448. They found the middle value of cost 3.2967. Axie Infinity cost gauge toward the month's end 3.0589, change for November 16%. Axie Infinity figure for December 2024. Initially cost at $3.0589. Excessive cost 3.7113, while low cost 3.0589. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.3244. Axie Infinity cost figure toward the month's end 3.4685, change for December 13th, 4%. Axie Infinity cost expectation for January 2025. Initially cost at $3.4685. Excessive cost 4.3051, while low cost 3.4685. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.8164. Axie Infinity cost figure toward the month's end 4.0235, change for January 16th, 0%. Axie Infinity figure for February 2025. Initially cost at $4.0235. Exorbitant cost 4.4773, while low cost 3.8915. They found the middle value of cost 4.1442. Axie Infinity cost estimate toward the month's end 4.1844, change for February 4th, 0%. Axie Infinity cost expectation for Walk 2025. To start with, cost at $4.1844. Exorbitant cost 5.1937, while low cost 4.1844. They found the middle value of cost 4.6041. Axie Infinity cost estimate toward the month's end 4.8539, change for spring 16%. Axie Infinity estimate for April 2025. At the outset, cost at $4.8539. Excessive cost 5.9817, while low cost 4.8539. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.320. Axie Infinity cost conjecture toward the month's end 5.5904, change for April 15th, 2%. Axie Infinity cost expectation for May 2025. Initially cost at $5.5904. Excessive cost 6.9388, while low cost 5.5904. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 6.1511. Axie Infinity cost figure toward the month's end 6.4849, change for May 16th, 0%. Axie Infinity figure for June 2025. Initially cost at $6.4849. Excessive cost 6.9717, while low cost 6.0595. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 6.5079. Axie Infinity cost figure toward the month's end 6.5156, change for June 0.5%. Axie Infinity cost expectation for July 2025. Before all else cost at $6.5156. Excessive cost 7.2505, while low cost 6.3019. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 6.7111. Axie Infinity cost conjecture toward the month's end 6.7762, change for July 4th, 0%. Axie Infinity conjecture for August 2025. Before all else cost at $6.7762. Excessive cost 7.3127, while low cost 6.3559. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 6.8198. Axie Infinity cost conjecture toward the month's end 6.8343, change for August 0.9%. Axie Infinity cost expectation for September 2025. In the first place, cost at $6.8343. Exorbitant cost $7.5536, while low cost $6.5652. The found the middle value of cost $7.031. Axie Infinity cost gauge toward the month's end $7.0594, change for September 3rd, 3%. Axie Infinity gauge for October 2025. In the first place, cost at $7.0594. Exorbitant cost $7.8038, while low cost $6.7828. The found the middle value of cost $7.2348. Axie Infinity cost figure toward the month's end $7.2933, change for October 3rd, 3%. Axie Infinity cost expectation for November 2025. Initially cost at $7.2933. Excessive cost $7.9159, while low cost $6.8801. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $7.3718. Axie Infinity cost figure toward the month's end $7.3980, change for November 1st, 4%. Axie Infinity figure for December 2025. Initially cost at $7.3980. Excessive cost $7.3980, while low cost $6.0372. The found the middle value of cost $6.8312. Axie Infinity cost estimate toward the month's end $6.4916, change for December 12.3%. Axie Infinity cost expectation for January 2026. To start with, cost at $6.4916. Exorbitant cost $6.4916, while low cost $5.2750. The found the middle value of cost $5.9826. Axie Infinity cost estimate toward the month's end $5.6720, change for January 12.6%. Axie Infinity estimate for February 2026. To start with, cost at $5.672. Excessive cost $7.0401, while low cost $5.6720. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $6.2409. Axie Infinity cost conjecture toward the month's end $6.5795, change for February 16th, %. Axie Infinity cost expectation for Walk 2026. Initially cost at $6.5795. Excessive cost $6.5795, while low cost $5.2743. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $6.0262. Axie Infinity cost conjecture toward the month's end $5.6713, change for spring 13.8%. Axie Infinity conjecture for April 2026. Before all else, cost at $5.6713. Excessive cost $5.6713, while low cost $4.4304. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $5.134.